The importance of branding. Let's begin. A well-crafted brand establishes trust and loyalty. It can position your business as a leader in your field and create a community of advocates who not only purchase your products, but also promote them to others. In a crowded marketplace, strong branding helps to cut through the noise. A brand is not just about technology, but about lifestyle. Strong branding can lead to higher sales, better customer retention, and even allow you to charge premium prices. Understanding the minds of your audience and what they want. Make it about them, not you. Identity and recognition. Branding helps create a unique identity for a business. A strong brand makes it easier for customers to recognize and remember a company amidst a sea of competitors. Perceived value and pricing power. Strong brands can command premium pricing because they create perceived value. Consumers often associate established brands with higher quality, which allows businesses to maintain higher profit margins. Branding is vital because it establishes identity, builds trust, fosters emotional connections, and differentiates a business. It plays a key role in customer loyalty, perceived value, and market positioning, ultimately driving business success. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.